My name is Mason, and I'm a resident assistant in Rose Street Commons. I'm here to support our on-campus students throughout their journey here at Penn College. Sometimes that means making sure students follow the rules, but most of the time, my job is fun and rewarding because I get to plan activities for my residents and connect them with resources. It's all about fostering a sense of community. I really enjoy living on campus. It puts you in the heart of all the action and will help you get the most out of your Penn College experience. You'll be close to your classes and other support services. It also makes it a lot easier to make friends and great connections that will serve as the foundation for your time at Penn College. Most new students living on campus are here in Rose Street Commons. This complex is made up of 3 sub-areas, which are Dolphin Hall, Lancaster York, and Clinton, Delaware, Juniata. Let's take a peek at what Rose Street Commons has to offer. Here you'll find Capital Eatery, an all-you-care-to-eat dining hall located within Rose Street Commons. It features a rotating menu of home-style entrees, hand-stretched pizzas, pastas, burgers, fresh salads, homemade soups, all-day breakfast, and more for all 3 meals of the day. We also have Fuel, a convenience store that offers a variety of toiletries and personal care items, quick snacks, cold beverages, frozen meals, freshly made grab-and-go sandwiches, salads, and more. Rose Street Commons also has an indoor bicycle storage room. Since we can't store our bikes in our rooms, this gives us space to safely lock them up and keep them out of the bad weather. This is the Dolphin Fitness Center. We have machines, free weights, and other workout equipment. Access is free. You just have to register. The center is regularly cleaned and sanitized. It's a great alternative to our larger fitness center, and it's convenient. Rose Street Commons really has it all. Televisions, computers, a pool table, a fire pit, and picnic tables. And when you live on campus, all of your utilities are included in the cost of housing, so you don't need to worry about monthly bills. The Wi-Fi is accessible in all of the buildings. Now let's check out Dolphin Hall. 7 to 9 students live in these suites in a combination of single and double rooms. Dolphin's our most traditional home. Each suite has several rooms and a communal bathroom. Every room houses 1 or 2 students. Let's take a closer look. In a single room like this, only one person is assigned to this space. If you'd like, you can bring a mini fridge to keep your favorite foods at your fingertips. In a double room like this, 2 students are assigned to share a space. Like in the single room that we just saw, all amenities that you see here are included. Suites have a shared bathroom and are often assigned by gender. Bathrooms have 2 sinks, 2 showers, 2 toilets, and a mirrored vanity. You can also find study rooms throughout the building. Each group of suites in Dolphin is split into pods, and each pod has its own lounge. Each lounge has an oven, microwave, and a sink in the kitchen, as well as a large TV and lots of comfy furniture. So there's always plenty of space to hang out with your friends and suite mates. Now that you've seen Dolphin, let's check out Lancaster and York Halls. These buildings offer apartment-style living. Rooms in these halls have either 2 or 3 bedrooms, and each bedroom typically houses 2 students, so you'll be living with 3 to 6 other people. Here's one of the common rooms. This space has a sofa, coffee table, and table, upholstered armchairs, and dining table with chairs. Apartments in Lancaster and York offer semi-private bathrooms, which include a shower, toilet, sink, and mirrored vanity. Here's an example of a bedroom, which includes all the furniture shown here. Each apartment also offers a kitchenette, which includes a full-size refrigerator, sink, microwave, and plenty of cabinet space for storing your food, cleaning supplies, and more. If you like to cook, don't worry. Although individual apartments don't have a stove or oven, there are several common area kitchens located in each building that provide them. So you're not limited to ramen and microwave mac and cheese. Now that we've finished up Lancaster and York Halls, let me show you Delaware. This is Delaware Hall, which offers 1-bedroom apartments that accommodate up to 3 people. Clinton and Delaware are twins, meaning they look almost identical on the inside. Juniata is different. It has 2 different bedroom types, a 4-person, 2-bedroom apartment, and an efficiency room. Each apartment offers a common room like this one. Each living room includes the furniture you see here, a sofa, coffee table, end table, upholstered armchairs, and a breakfast counter with stools. In the kitchen, residents have access to full-size refrigerator, sink, microwave, and lots of cabinet storage space. Here's a bathroom in one of these apartments. All apartments offer semi-private bathrooms, which include a shower, toilet, sink, and mirrored vanity. Clinton Delaware halls offer large bedrooms that are shared by 2 or 3 students. Bedroom furniture includes a bed, desk chair, and either a wardrobe or a dresser for each student living in the space. So there you have it. Those are your on-campus living options here at Penn College. In addition to the fact that all locations are fully furnished and include utilities and laundry, I also love that our residence halls are gated communities. For that extra security, we have key cards that we swipe before entering. and all guests need to be escorted in. Thanks so much for taking the tour with me today. If you haven't been to an open house, you should come by and check out our campus. While you're here, you can tour labs, meet faculty and students, and explore the resident halls in person. I hope to see you soon.